Find the area of each of these trapezoids. Show all of your steps. So we're being asked to find the area of the trapezoids. There's 2 of them, so I'm going to do 1. Also, we're being asked to show our steps. So I'm going to do letter B and you guys can do letter A, so leave some space. So in order to find area, and like what does area really mean? So area is the square units inside the shape. So that's what we're looking for. Remember, perimeter is the outside, but area is the inside. So what you could do right now is pause the video, draw the picture of the trapezoid, and look for the area formula. You should have written it somewhere from class or in your notes. Now let's try the area formula. So I'm going to do letter B. So the area of a trapezoid is 1/2. So like that half is like similar to a triangle. Triangle has that 1/2. And then we're going to be adding the base. So there's 2 base, and I'm going to explain where they are. So base 1 plus base 2. And we're going to multiply by the height. Remember, when we do area, we do base times height. We're looking for that 90-degree angle. But specifically in this problem, so we have base. So those are the 2 parallel segments. So there's the 12 is one of the base. So locate that and write on your notes. So you can call it base 1 to be the long one, and base 2 to be the shorter one. And right now we're looking for the height. Now notice that we have this length over here, and then we have this length over here. So which one is the height? So in order to identify the height, you're looking for where does the height make that 90-degree angle, and I could see it right over here. So it's the shortest distance between the 2 base. So that's how you can identify the height. So the height will be 4. Now all we need to do is substitute into the formula. So A for area equals 1/2 times, it's invisible, times. We're going to copy the numbers and add them, right? Go ahead and do that, the base 1 and the base 2. And then we're going to multiply by the height, and we said the height is 4. And using order of operation, you want to add those numbers first. Technically, we can do 1/2 of 4, or you could do it later. So whichever way you prefer, but go ahead and finish this problem on your own using calculations. Make sure your answer A has, and then we're looking up right here, those little quotation, looks like quotation mark, but they're inches. So we're going to say inches to the power of 2. So whatever that number you get after the calculations, then that will be the answer for area. And then do example A on your own.